Never save money. That's what my grandfather told me. At first, I thought he was crazy. Everyone around him called him lazy. He didn't work, didn't hustle, and spent his days sitting under a tree dreaming of a better life. But the lesson he taught me that day changed everything I thought about work, money, and life. If you think saving money is the key to security, sit tight, because this story will make you rethink everything. In a small farming village, there lived an old man who spent his days dreaming instead of working. One day, I'll open a shop. One day, I'll buy land and cows. I'll make money without working hard, he said. Years went by. People stopped laughing at him. They just felt sorry for him. His family struggled. His grandchildren went hungry. Dreams didn't feed anyone. Ideas didn't fill the stomach. That's when he realized dreams are nothing without action. One morning, ashamed of his helplessness, he went to work in the fields. The work was brutal. The sun burned him. His back bent. His hands ached. Sweat ran into his eyes, and each night he came home exhausted, eating barely enough to survive. He tried saving money. Every coin he could, he hid in a jar under the bed. He called it our tomorrow. But the more he saved, the harder life felt. They had less to eat, less to live, and still, the money didn't seem enough. Then one day, he realized a shocking truth. Money alone doesn't grow. Ideas alone don't feed you. Work alone doesn't create freedom, unless you make money work for you. He took the last of his coins and bought a few thin chickens. At first, it seemed small, almost pointless. But with each egg, they ate, they sold, they reinvested. Slowly, their little egg business grew. He realized, saving money is like holding water in your hands. It always slips away. Make it work, even if you start small. Every egg mattered. Every small action mattered. And that's when the once lazy man felt alive again. Work became meaningful. Money became a tool, not a burden. Life became abundant. Imagine holding your hard-earned money only to watch it disappear through bills, inflation, emergencies, and realizing you've been chasing the wrong goal. The grandfather taught me that wealth isn't about how much you save, it's about how much you grow. Growth is what feeds you, secures you, and creates opportunities. He said to me, holding an egg in his hands, "This is worth more than a jar of money. It feeds us. It grows. It does not lose value." That simple act changed his life, and it can change yours too. So, here's the lesson. Don't just save money. Don't just dream. Make your resources work for you. Start small. Take action. Build. Grow. Invest in things that multiply. Your journey won't be easy. Sweat, effort, failures, they're part of the process. But if you act, if you take the first step, your eggs will grow into something greater than you ever imagined. Remember, money in a jar can slip away, but work, effort, and smart investment, it grows, it multiplies, it feeds your future. So start today. Take your first step, plant your eggs, and watch your life grow. Never save money. Make it grow.